Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up. We go to settings. In this page, you will click here on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we search about line and you will click. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.